Paula Picker. It is Friday morning and it is freezing out. I got the day off from work and I'm heading to an estate sale. So this one's not too far away, only about 8 miles. Heading to Webster. Today's the last day of this estate sale, so I had to at least check it out. Hopefully I can find something cool. Well, the weather took a turn for the worst. It's looking a little dicey out here. Alright, we're almost here. I thought the weather would prevent people from coming, but I guess not. Looks like it's a full house. Whew, we made it. We're here. Alright, 50% off. Alright, we're here. Let's see what we can find. That's kind of cool for $250. Let's see what other treasures we can find here. Let's see. What is that? What is this case? Anything up here? Alright, what do we get out here? Anything? Oh, Alright. This sale's a bit overwhelming. There's so much stuff. Tipsy Bee. What the heck is that? Well, not finding any sold comps on that. We're gonna pass on that. It's a cool rocking horse. Brand new portable cot for $4. Should I grab it? Probably. This will probably sell. It's popping out at me. Let's go back in. Alright, down to the basement. Oh, still that out. I like that. Let's see what we got back here. What do we got over here? What are those things? What other goodies can we find? What's that thing? What other fun things can we find? Look at this monkey. That's kind of cool. A monkey bank for $1. Oh, that's why it's $1. What else we got over here? What's that? That's kind of cool. It's really nasty dirty. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Alright. Oh, I didn't even go upstairs yet. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty. Got in here anything good? Alright, oh, look at this cool case. Pocketbook thing. That's something neat. I have to take this across this little thing. I think that's human braided hair. No, delete that up. It's cool picture. Vintage pantyhose, but it's not sealed, so I'm not taking that. Selling for me? What is that? What we got in here? What other goodies we got hiding over here? Well, what we got in here? What's that little box? It's a cool little card box. We have to take that. Thanks again. See you later. right, well, we got a pretty good load. So much for only spending 10 bucks. Well, that was a pretty good sale. So I went out with the intentions of only spending $10 because that's all the cash I had, but I spent about 45 bucks. But we'll go through all the stuff when I get home. Got some awesome treasures. All right, we're heading home. We're gonna stop off and get a little something to eat at Dunkin'. All right, well, the roads are a little better. We got a dry path here. Oh, not looking forward to this ride. It's looking a little scary. Slow and steady. No hurry. My usual Dunkin' stop. I'm gonna head home and we'll go through all the stuff I found. It's getting bad out here now. Good thing I am home. Gonna have my breakfast and then we're gonna unload the car and we'll go through all my treasures I found. Well, look at this. Look at that. Jurassic Park vehicle. Cool. Going to mail a lot of baby toys. All right, here we go. All right, we got our package mailed out. Let's head on home and go through the treasures. All right, we're back home. That was a pretty awesome estate sale. Let me show you what I got. So I just couldn't control myself. I had to buy these cool clocks. I have a bunch of these for myself. And they were $4 and I got them half price. This one actually was $3, so it was $1.50. That one was $4. So I came across this folding nativity scene. I thought it was very cool. And they had $2 on it, so I got it for, oh my God, I can't believe this. So I got this little Seiko clock. It's got a little light inside. Thought it was really cool. And it was listed for $2. I got it for $1. Thought I couldn't go wrong for that. I just looked up comps on this, and this is selling for over $200. Major score. So I came across this woven purse, I think it is. I'm not sure. But it was just so darn cool. It was $4, so I got it for $2. I'm gonna have to look this up, see what it's worth. How do I get so freaking lucky? So I looked this up, and this is a French purse, woven purse from the 1950s, and it's selling in the $200 range. Unbelievable. This is awesome. Major score today. Here's another cool score. I came across these in the garage. They were up on a shelf, covered in dust. They had $4 on them each. So I got them for $2. So I got, what, 6 of those? So $12 for all of these. And I looked them up, and they're selling for about $50 for 4 of them. So this is the first thing I came across. When I came in, it was $1 for all these salad bowls. They're like a leaf, cabbage leaf type of design. They're not going for a ton of money, but a set of these is going for about $20. So not bad for $1. And I came across this little mystery case in the basement. It was up on a shelf. I had to check it out. So in the mystery bag were these little cases, and I'm assuming they're for darts. I looked these up. They're selling for about $10. And then you got these vintage wood darts. These are bringing about $25 to $30. And also these other vintage darts, not bringing quite as much, maybe $10. And I'm not sure, can't find these vintage darts. These were some real nice ones, but there's only one that's intact. The other 2 are broken. But for $3 for the whole lot, not a bad little deal. And I came across this really nice little glass dish from California with a dragonfly on it. And I thought I'd grab that for 50 cents. I'm going to give that to a lady I work with who likes dragonflies. And I came across this cute little enamelware pitcher. It was $1, so I got it for 50 cents. It's going for about $25. It's in pretty good condition. It's not all scratched up. And I always have to find something unusual to pick up. I came across this. It was $3. I got it for $1.50. It is a screen cleaner. This might come in handy if it actually works. We'll add this to our tools. I'm assuming that gets all the fuzzies and stuff off. I don't know. We'll see. I said I was going to stay away from glassware, but for 50 cents, I couldn't pass this up. It's really nice. Not selling for a ton, but it's bringing about $15 to $20. Last item, I came across this Egyptian plate. It was kind of cool for $1. Looked it up. It's going for around $30. Not too bad. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite scores. I love old vintage garbage cans for some reason. I don't know why, but I get them really cheap, so and I usually flip them pretty quick. But this one's really nice. I might keep this if it cleans up. Yeah, I usually only pay $1 or $2 for these. This was $5, so I got it for $2.50, so not bad. And it's got little things on the bottom there, so it's not sitting directly on the ground on the metal. So yeah, this was a nice find, this vintage hand-painted metal garbage can. These sell really good. So I looked this up, and it is a Ransburg metal trash can, and it's selling for $40. Oh, I totally missed one item to show you. So I got this plaque that was up on the wall. I do sell religious stuff pretty regularly, so I thought this would probably sell. I only paid a couple bucks for it. And I just looked this up, and it is selling for around $200. Unbelievable. And the final item, an electric typewriter. They had 15, so I got it for $7.50. I thought I'd give it a try. These are supposed to bring some good money. If it sells, we'll pick up some more of these. So not a bad little pick today at that estate sale. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.